What's up, everybody, and welcome to a brand new month, the best month. Okay, maybe I'm being just a little bit biased here, but anyway, scrolling through social media, I am seeing so many individuals who have been able to grow their following to 30K, 40K, and even 50K plus followers on their social media platform. These individuals are doing it by staying consistent and posting short form content every single day, day in and day out. And these individuals are not only, getting these massive amounts of followers, but they're finding their style, finding their niche, and establishing themselves in their respective community and in their respective niche. Now, if you have read by the title of today's video, I am challenging myself and you to post 30 days of consistent short form content. So take this as your sign or, the motivation and the push that you need to start posting content today. Now, by doing this, not only are you going to push yourself and start, something that you never thought was going to be possible, but by doing this today, you're going to get ahead of so many people who are waiting to start this in the next month or in the next year. Right? So I want to start this month right now. I challenge you to do the same. So make sure you drop a fire emoji down in the comment section below if you are going to be joining me. So in this video, I want to talk about a few different things. I have 3 specific topics that I would like to talk about, and make sure you stay tuned till the very end of this video to see my starting point, to see exactly where I'm going to start and where I'm going to start tracking everything starting from this day forward. So the very first thing that I want to talk about is why I'm starting this 30-day challenge. Now, there's a few different reasons for starting this 30-day challenge, but one of the main things that I have always been super open about my channel is being 100% transparent. I have built this channel on being transparent and sharing everything with you guys. So when I decided to start this 30-day challenge and, embark on it, I looked on YouTube for other people who done the 30-day challenge, right? I looked for other people who have started it, and I wanted to gain some insight and some knowledge on what happened with them, what made them start, and why did they start. Well, I couldn't find anything. And when I can't find anything on something, that makes me more so want to create a content or create a video on that specific topic. So while everybody on YouTube is posting their 30-day results and posting videos of what happened after their 30 days of posting consistent content, I want to bring something different to the table. I want to bring a video and post a video that showcases the beginning of the 30 days. What is, what are you scared of? What is making you do this? Why are you doing this, right? I want to post a video before all the madness happens so that if somebody else is out there wanting to embark on this 30-day content creation challenge, they can look at this video and see that somebody just like them was nervous, was scared, didn't know how the results were going to end up, didn't know what they were getting into, right? So that's what this video is going to be for. And I'm going to post this video so that anybody out there can see this, can use this as motivation, can use this as inspiration so that they can embark on their 30-day journey as well. Now, another big reason why I want to post short form content and do this 30-day challenge is because I want to push my creativity and I want to grow as a creator. I have so much creativity built up in my head, so much that I would like to express, but it's very hard to do with long form content. Especially my form of long form content, because I like to inform you guys, I like to teach you guys about the Amazon Influencer Program, and there's not much I can do cinematic wise and editing wise to make those videos super cool and super clean. I'm just making those videos to teach. So with someone like me doing short form content, I really think it's going to help unlock my creativity, help me find my style, and really put myself out there. Doing long form content, it has been really hard for me and a big struggle for me to incorporate music and incorporate some really cool editing tricks, right? But with short form content, I'm going to be able to do all of that. I'm going to be able to do all of that without having to worry about copyright strikes or getting my videos demonetized. So short form content is going to be so exciting and just a great way for me to express myself and hopefully bring in a new audience to my channel. Now, the last reason that I really want to do this is because I really want to get ahead of the new year. I'm tired of waiting for January 1st to be the moment that we all think we're going to change, that we're going to be a better individual, that we're going to start that business and start the social media account that we've always wanted to. I want to prove to myself that I can start beforehand, and that on January 1st, I'll already be 30 days into this challenge, and maybe I can do 30 days more. And I can keep this content rolling, I can keep posting short form content, and basically create a new norm for me. When I was working a full-time job, a part-time job, doing the Amazon influencer program, trying to grow all my other side hustles, that was my norm. And now that I quit my full-time job, I've gotten lazy and I've been doing less work. And so I want to make short form content every day a new norm for me. And so by doing this 30-day challenge, I know I can do that. Now, the second thing I want to address is, how do I plan on achieving this? Now, 30 days of posting consistent short form content from never posting consistent short form content before is very daunting. It's a daunting task. It's nerve-wracking. I'm wondering, am I going to run out of ideas? Am I going to fail? Are people not gonna like my content? There's just so much to worry about and think about. And trust me, I'm thinking about those things, but I'm not gonna let it stop me, because the only way I will know for sure if this is gonna work, or what I have in short form content, I have to do it. I have to press record. I have to start creating the stuff and seeing what the turnout is, basically. So how I plan on achieving this is I will still be posting 2 long form YouTube videos every week, like I have been this entire year. But on top of that, every day I plan on posting some sort of short form content. This short form content will be on my YouTube Shorts, it'll be on my Instagram Reels, and it'll also be on TikTok. And with this, I'm gonna see what channels take off, what channels grow, what channels don't grow, and does it help my YouTube or does it hurt my YouTube? And I'm gonna share all of that with you guys. In fact, I'm super excited to report back my 30-day findings and give you guys some insight on everything that I've learned by doing this. So don't get me wrong, it's gonna be very hard. I hope I can grow as a filmmaker, as a content creator. I hope I can get some really good ideas, and I hope I can report back to you guys some really good information. Now, the third thing I want to discuss with you guys is what my goals are and what I hope to achieve from this 30-day challenge. Now, I really basically mentioned a lot of that stuff throughout this video, but growing as a content creator, growing my style is so important to me, because I really think that I have a super unique style. I just haven't found it and I haven't established it. But once I do, I hope to just keep pushing out content with that style and just share myself with the entire world. I also hope to grow my platforms. Obviously, that's a big thing with this 30-day challenge, is see how much growth I can attain on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on everything, because by posting short form content consistently, hopefully it triggers the algorithm. Hopefully it does something to put my video in front of a lot of more faces and hopefully grow. But all in all, I hope I fall in love with short form content. I hope I am able to create a new routine where I incorporate short form content all the time, and I'm still able to maintain some really good quality long form content as well. Overall, I just want to be a content creator. I want to create consistent content all year round, short form, long form, whatever form comes out in the new year. I want to be on top of it. I also want to continue to motivate, continue to be inspiring, positive, and transparent with everything I do, with everything in the side hustle, in the creative world. That's what I plan on doing. So I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys join me. I hope you guys commented a fire emoji down below. Maybe we'll have to start like a group chat or a community, or do something really cool with everybody joining in on this challenge. Because this is not going to be the only challenge. We have a brand new year knocking on the door in front of us, and there are going to be so much more challenges to come. I am so ready for the new year, and I really hope that by doing this challenge this December, or by doing this challenge right now, it motivates you guys and gets everything turning so that we can have a really great year to come. Now, before I let you guys go, one thing I wanted to add on to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, but this is my starting point. This is my Instagram, my TikTok, and my YouTube channel at day 1 of posting this content. Today is December 1st, 2023, and this is where I currently stand. This is my starting point, and we're only gonna grow from here, so I am so excited. Make sure you guys take some before shots of your social media pages before we embark on this 30-day journey. So with that being said, we better get going. We gotta create this short form content because we have a really long 30 days in front of us. So guys, thank you. As always, please make sure you like, comment down below, turn on post notifications, and subscribe to this channel. We are gonna do amazing things together, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye!